like for a ride without care, be mindful, all right? So you might have to be careful of the new riders who have no idea what they're doing. Therefore, they might come off around a bend, they might low side around a bend and hit you. Like, there's a few variables to that, but just be careful, all right? Now, I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but it's better to be safe than sorry, especially when riding a motorbike, because the sorry tends to be a lot more painful than in the car, because there's more than just financial things at risk. Now, just because it's sunny, just remember a lot more people are going to start going out as well. So people who don't do much during winter because they don't like driving in the wet or etc. Because my mum's like that. You have a few people who don't like going out because the weather's bad or it's too cold. So now there's more drivers who don't drive in all conditions either. So they're not as used to driving in more traffic and whatnot.